Okay, Miss Aurelia, let's see if this is any better. You ready? It's banana with avocado. It's a little warmed up. Yep, you can hold it. I know you don't trust me. There you go. What do you think of that? It's got that banana in it. Ooh, that's different, huh? You want to put it more in? Okay, you can do it. There you go. Good job. 6 months you're feeding yourself. The good? No gumming on the spoon. Ooh, finally you like it. You're like, what is that stuff, Mama? Little bites. All you needed was that banana in it. Yummy, yum. And some more. There you go. Do it yourself. There you go. Just get it in there. That was a big bite, really, Belle. Good girl. Can't even get it out of her hand.
Is this door locked? Is this locked?
You should tell Lisa to come up here before you guys leave. She loves it.
What?
She loves this. It's banana with avocado. Watch. There you go. She's going to feed herself. No, you grab onto it. There you go. Whoa. She got herself in the nose.
She likes this?
She loves it. Look at her.
Okay, what's a yellow rain box?
Rain box.
Like a yellow ring.
Okay, bye.
Here.